All other towers and the wall was constructed by transporting workers.
Why is someone talking? We're supposed to be listening to this. Okay, give me a signal, Dad. Okay. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Wait, why is that tower collapsing? Oh, excuse me. I didn't mean to hurt you.
Oh no, we're good.
I'm filming so I can post this on YouTube.
Okay, nice.
Do you hear me say 1, 2, 3?
I did.
What should I? We're going up into outer space, man. This tram car takes off like a rocket ship, right? Like a space shuttle. How would you compare this car to the space shuttle, man?
Well, I've never been on the space shuttle.
Because you're not an astronaut. Would you want to be an astronaut one as your childhood dream?
I don't really want to be an astronaut myself. I kind of like it. What about you?
Yeah, I think of this tram car as going up into space. You got yourself your own little space shuttle. Yeah, it's going fast. Okay.
Not yet.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Whoa.
You see,